Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you are all doing well today. I know I just unboxed this and shared the video, but I've already started it and I'm super excited to share with you guys. This is my mystery diamond painting from Cateared. I picked up these trays from the dollar store to put bagged drills in, and it fits perfectly, so I can just run through and pick out the color that I need. The drills have been absolutely excellent. There is some trash because they're square drills. There are some with the tabs on the side, but honestly, they're minimal. Other than that, I haven't really had any concave ones. They're all the same size, the same shape. They have been absolutely wonderful to work with. The canvas itself, stickiness is great, symbols are great. I feel like I'm doing a word search though, because they are all black and white letters. I do have to like drill it down to one size, like pick out a section that I'm working on and go through color by color. And even then I missed some, so I have to go back. But I have worked on it for 2 nights. So this is like just my evenings after regular work hours. I worked on it for 2 nights and I am halfway completed. And I'm pretty excited. So this one was a little bit hard to tell what it is. My original idea was, like, I can see a face, I can see eyes. So my idea was a tiger. Like, the colors are, I don't know, they're not really tiger colors. But now that I see it and I've looked at it again, really what it looks like to me is when you have those images where you put like a whole bunch of paint down, you fold the paper over and smush it, and then you open it up and you have like a mirror image. That's what it looks like. It's definitely a face, but to me now it looks like an owl. So let me show you. Ta-da! This is where we are at. I'm halfway completed. And I started in this corner over here and just kind of like worked this section, then worked here, and then worked here. Let me flip up the plastic for you guys. Everything is fitting in really nicely. Sorry about the crinkle. The drills just look gorgeous. The sparkle is great. And this is why I'm thinking it's an owl. To me, this looks more like a beak. I would say if it was a lion, that like you'd kind of have a mouth here, but you see what I mean about the mirror image. Like, you take a piece of paper, flattened it. And I know that these 2 sections right here, these are all black, so these are eyes. So I really think it's an owl. That's my guess, and I'm sticking to it. Kind of looks like feathers. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm sure I will be done in a couple of days. Definitely, I think this weekend it will be completed, and I'll share with you guys the completed part. But so far, I am in love with it. These square drills are awesome. It's poured glue. I don't know what else to say. I know some people get disappointed because they don't get an image that they like, but it's a mystery diamond painting. That's why you chose it, to get a mystery. So that's kind of the reason behind it. But all right. So I am going to keep working on this, and I know this is just a really short video, but just to share with you guys, I haven't been posting this one on Instagram, so I will be back for sure on the weekend to share the completed one with you. So stay tuned. All right, bye-bye.